My name is Deodat Rodrigues. I am from Kolwa. I have been coming here with my parents, especially my father. He had a lot of devotion to Saint Francis Xavier, and I have been coming from as a child. Maybe I was not even aware that I was being brought. It's that long a history, and every year we make this pilgrimage. After that, my father died. My mother, she continued it, and we have been doing it all these years. And we have found a lot of blessings through Saint Francis Xavier. I remember my father, after he heard Mass at the main altar, there used to be another Mass at the altar of Saint Francis Xavier. And he wouldn't leave this place without hearing that Mass at the altar of Saint Francis Xavier. Of course, now it is no longer there. But that devotion is still there. And I remember my father, one day he just couldn't walk to come up to this. He was just limping sort of, to come right up. And when he kissed the altar, he was totally alright. He walked back like a new man. And my family also.
Before he died also you had brought him. He has his wish.
He had this, so we brought him here before he died, GMC. So we made sure we stopped by here before we took him home because that was the last of this. So we made sure he brought him here. Made sure at least, he had that blessing and that the soul, could be in peace